Hi, I'm Devin Neal, live in Port Tobacco, Maryland, where Chief Mark Tayac of the Piscataway Indian Nation spoke from the heart of his ancestral homeland.
Hello, everyone. My name is Chief Mark Tayac. We're here this evening from the Piscataway Indian Nation. I come from the village of my own. My clan is the Beaver Clan.
This is the American Indian chief or Tayac, who would have represented people from parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, and Virginia.
The words Piscataway meaning people of blending of waters or place of blending of waters. We are the original people of what is known today as the Chesapeake Bay region. We are the people that originally inhabited these lands. Our family is from the principal capital village of my own. It's been dated by archaeologists and anthropologists that we had lived there in one permanent and continuous village for over 15,000 years. We defined our lands and our territories by how far our language was being spoken. And in our language, our family's last name, Tayac, means chief. I am now currently the 29th generation of hereditary chiefs. The chief before me was my father, Chief Billy Redwing Tayac. His father, Chief Turkey Tayac. We currently count back 29 generations of carrying that title of chieftainship for the Piscataway people. My son, Nechi Tayac, when it's my time to go on to the spirit world, he will become the 30th generation. And when it's his time to go on to the spirit world, one of his sons will become the 31st generation.
Chief Tayac emphasized the significance of his ancestral lands, defined not by borders but by the reach of their language. He also shed light on the ongoing struggle for repatriation, seeking the return of ancestral remains from museums and collections.
We wish to see our ancestors returned back to where they came from. We are working with the Smithsonian Institute, the state of Maryland, and the National Park Service. But we need help from each and every one of you. Our plight and our struggle is your plight and your struggle. We all live here today collectively together.
Chief Tayac called for support for the challenges faced by the Piscataway Indian Nation, such as the absence of community centers to preserve their culture.
Why is it that the American Indian in the state of Maryland has no community centers? We wish to keep this Indianism alive. It hasn't been an easy journey for our people. A journey where, with a swipe of a pen, with a swipe of the pen in the 1600s and the 1700s, there was government officials that said, we have solved the Indian problem. There are no more Indians. We have never disappeared. We are not hiding. We are American Indian people.
In conclusion, the address brings attention to the resilience, spirit, and priorities of the Piscataway Indian Nation. The Tayac invites all viewers to take the time to understand the history and challenges, so that together we can contribute to positive change.
We've navigated through many troubled waters, but we have survived as a people. We wish to see community centers. Our people are looking for technical assistance. where we can create jobs, where we can employ our own tribal members to advocate in our behalf, to advocate in our children's behalf and their children's behalf, that our people may be able to advocate for our next seventh generation still yet to be born. We believe that the state of Maryland is big enough and strong enough.
Reporting live from Port Tobacco, Maryland, I'm Devin Neal.